Gimano ni jotelo mopogore Masia wacho ni ikruok madhi mbele Bondo ni Raila Odinga dhi nyime makare kendo giikore ne rwako kwan maduong' mar welo madhi chopo Jumapil ne kopo mogik. Jaod bura ma Bondo Gideon Ochanda, jaod bura ma Alego Usonga Samatandi mane odhi rango chenro okwayo jodak ma Bondo mondo rwak welo yo makare kendo miluor nyasi midhi tim ne Raila Odinga. Flora Moroa, main regional commander ma Nyanza, osingoni arita oseket kare kosiemo moko kuom josiasa malingling osechoponegi ni biro dwaro kelo chochni mondo bed mabor gi nyasi makamano.
We also want to organize our people and prepare them to host guests, because there are some guests who are coming here for the very first time. They've never been to Bondo, and they're coming here because our leader has passed on. So also we want to talk to our people here that you must be good hosts. You must be ready to give our guests comfortable hostage. We want the image of Raila Bondo Odinga, which is looming large across the world, not to be derailed by rowdy mourners. We want people to be patient. We want people to be hospitable. Also, we want to say that this is not a time for politics. I think this is the most important message. This is not a time for politics. It is time for mourning our leader.
The leadership, whether they are political or not, what we want is that we want to bury Raila with the honors that he deserves. He doesn't deserve chaos. He doesn't deserve some of the things that we were seeing yesterday. We need to be as orderly as possible. I want to appeal to our local, whether they are youth, our local community here, the Bondo community. This is my appeal. If we have people who are behaving strangely, behavior that it clearly indicates that those are not our local people, please stop them.
We have information that there are a few elements of politicians who are organizing to disrupt these activities. We know them and we know all what they are planning to do. We have had security meetings since this happened. In fact, we were here on Wednesday, the day before yesterday, and we have put all the plans in place to ensure that we have a peaceful burial for the former Prime Minister. This is not the time to show any kind of supremacy or whatever it could be. I want to call upon our people, and particularly the young people, not to allow themselves to be used by anyone to shame our community. We are here to mourn our leader, and we are calling upon everybody to ensure